Good morning everyone. Okay, as we were reading community helpers, okay, and we have started common preparation. Topic was common preparation and we have read till driver. Irfan was a driver, tailor, Ramnik and Manik Bhai was a tailor, mechanic. Who was the mechanic? Babu was the mechanic. Now we were going to read about cobbler. Okay, now what is cobbler? Firstly, we will know that who was a cobbler. Narayan is the cobbler. Okay, what he used to do? He mends old and torn shoes and also make new shoes. He used to repair shoes. Okay, and torn shoes means very old shoes. Okay, and which is not in use. Okay, and he makes also new shoes. He used tools such as hammer, needle, thread, nails, leather, cobbler stand and all. These all are the things are which is used in making of new shoes or torn shoes. Okay, he learned this skill from his father, who was also a cobbler. Now in this profession, people are using their parents as their as their teachers, because they used to teach them the things doing whatever they are doing in now. Okay, so Narayan was a cobbler and he used to mend people's shoes. And he used to you can say that he used to tools like hammer, needle, thread, leather, cobbler stand. Okay, and he has learned this skill from his father. Okay, moving to Salim. Now who was Salim? Salim was a potter. Okay, he was a potter, isn't it? Now what he used to do? He used to wet clay to make pots, urn, vases and diyas using his hand and potter's wheels. Now have you seen the potters who used to use wet clays? Clays means what? Soils, mitti. Okay, to do what? They used to do they used to make very good, very beautiful diyas, okay, vases, pots. Okay, and by using his hands and the potter's wheel, he learned the art of making pots at the age of 6 from his father. Okay, now the Salim, when he was at the age of 6, it's a very young age, he was used to child, he used these skills from his father. So his father was also a potter. Okay, he also carves design on the pot using knife and make them look beautiful and attractive. Now Salim used to do some artificial things on the potters which looks very nice, okay, and very beautiful, isn't it? Moving to embroiderer. Okay, what was that? Embroiderer, no? Okay, he was a Manju is an embroiderer. Now embroiderer means we will going across. She used to needles, colorful threads and a wooden frame to make beautiful patterns on different kinds of fabric. Now embroidery means when we do something artificial with the needles and with the colorful threads to make a frame. Okay, and using different kinds of fabric. She learned this art from her mother. She used to learn all these things from her mother. Okay, all her family members work in the embroidery workshop. Manju is having a embroidery workshop in which their family used to work. Okay, now moving to doctor. Okay, I am writing doctor over here. Okay, doctor. Samrat is a doctor. Now here the name is given Samrat. Samrat is the name of a person and is a doctor. He joined the medical college after completing his school. As I told you, they have their personified skills which they used to perform in their different careers. Okay, so Samrat is a doctor and he joined the medical college after his schooling and he treats sick and injured people. He used to Okay, he used to treat sick people who is not well, they feel unwell. So what doctor used to do? Doctor used to treat unwell people who are injured people, isn't it? So Samrat is a doctor. He joined medical college after his schooling. I used to treat patient. Okay, moving to civil engineer. Okay, civil engineer. Who is civil engineer? Nilima is a civil engineer. Now the name is given here for civil engineer is Nilima. Okay, after finishing her school, she joined the engineering college. After finishing her school, she joined the engineering college and she supervises and maintains construction project, example road, building, bridges. What does civil engineers do? Civil engineers have their work of construction. Construction means building something or making roads. Okay, they have their own projects. Bridges, they used to build bridges also. So this all comes under what? Under construction. Okay, so what we have read till now? Cobbler, Narayan was a cobbler, Salim is a potter, Manju is a embroiderer, Samrat is a doctor and Nilima is a civil engineer. So now moving to the Ranbir is an army officer. Now the favorite one. An army officer. Okay. Who was army officer? Ranbir. Here it is given the name is an army officer who works in Indian Army. Okay, as everyone know what is Indian Army. He fights for our country and helps citizens during natural calamities and disasters. Okay, an army officer is such a nice person. They used to leave their family at their home. They used to work outside for the whole country, not for a single person, isn't it? And defense forces includes 3 branches: Army, Navy and Air Force. Now there are one main head branch is there, okay, which is what the name of that branch? That is defense. Okay, defense forces, which includes 3 branches. Okay, we can say like this: if this this is the defense. Okay, I can taking is this branch is a defense forces. So there is 3 branches. Okay, one is for Indian Army, one is for Navy and one is for Air Force. Okay, moving to each branches of forces has its own soldiers. Okay, Army is having its own soldiers, Navy is having its own soldiers and Air Force is having its own soldiers, because every departments have their own work, so they have to specialize and professionalize in their own field. Okay, so Officers and Training School, the IMA in Dehradun and OTA in Chennai are famous training school. Now what is IMA? That is military, now Indian Military Academy. It is the name of that branch, or you can say a school, that is Indian Military Academy, and it is where it is in Dehradun. Okay, and OTA, that is Officer Training Academy, where officer used to train, that is in Chennai, are the famous school for Indian Army. Okay, now moving to teacher, the main you can say they played a very vital role, okay, in everyone's life, because everyone used to go school, isn't it? So who was teacher? Divya. Divya is a teacher. After college she joined teacher training institute to learn teaching skills. Now everyone used to join their own training institute to learn that skill, isn't it, to be capable on this field. So after she completed her schooling, she joined what? She joined a school teaching training institute to learn what? To learn teaching skills. Okay, now she teaches in a primary school. Now she is teaching in a primary school. Primary means nursery to class 5 to till class 8. This all are the primary sections, isn't it? Teaching is very noble profession and student looks up their teachers as role model. As I am teaching here, you all know me, okay? So you see me as this role model, isn't it? So teaching is a very noble profession. It's a very extremely talented profession, okay? So with that we have completed what we have completed? We have completed common profession. People used to choose commonly in their field, isn't it? After that we will move to interesting profession in the next video. Thank you.